So we are queuing, having our dinner actually. Tako hanye. We just finished working. I mean, Damian finished working, and I just arrived from the school, and here's the queue. It's time to pay actually, and this is how it looks on Friday afternoon. Oh, nice. Smaczne go kochani. What do you have?
IKEA food.
What is it? Like a meatball.
Like a meatball.
Swedish meatball,
Yeah.
tak. And then supa pomidorova, my favorite one. Smacznego. How much we pay all?
Total damage 42 zł.
Looks around, it's so busy, packed with people, nice. Kochani, it's pira time.
Coffee time.
Pira time. Have a coffee and cake. Smacznego. Nowadays everywhere is so full.
Busy, yeah?
Busy. Maybe because of the weather, yeah? Raining, storm outside.
Yesterday is 11 degree.
Ah,
2 days ago it's 30, today's 11.
so cold. Yay! Dzień dobry everybody, just another day in Poznan, Poland, right? So now autumn is already started, and what's the best place to go when it is a wind, cold weather and rain is the mall, IKEA, and yeah. So Damian is already going to work, driving Uber. And then I decided to go to Carrefour to shop. Now I am shopping in the Carrefour. I wanna make my traditional jamu or herbal drink. Look at the quick kurkuma price is about 200 gram is about 19 zloty. Coconut, cinnamon, and thing. 8 zloty each. Ah, they have a mangosteen. Nice. They have a granite and this. So this is, and the papaya also. They have it all here. They have a cocos here. One is for like this. Oh, they have a this one, the dragon fruit. And mangoes. This is all the tropical exotic fruits. Expensive, yes. They have a pear like this. And then the sweet tamarinds. I really need tamarind actually for my jamu. Yes, exotic product is so expensive. So I just finished shopping. Basically, I remember that everybody told me in Europe that there is no bad weather. Actually, the thing is that you just need to dress up properly. Okay, so today I've got my hoodie, my thick jacket, and my chapka, my hat. So I finished my shopping. It's time to go home, and yeah, it's freezing cold, windy autumn. I was there in Poznania, and then we were in IKEA with Damian, and Damian already back to work, and this is how it looks. Yes, cold, windy. It's time to go home. I arrived home. It was very strong wind on the way home, and it's raining. So today I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna cook. Basically, we will make a Indonesian traditional herbal drink. If you have ever heard about jamu, so today I'm gonna make a jamu. I think that's the best herbal drink in the season like this. You know, cold, windy, rain, and for boost your immune system. This is the Indonesian traditional recipe, actually from my mom. So what we need so far, the first of all, I bought curcuma, ginger, lime, and most important thing is tamarind. Tamarind is just like this. If we unboxing, tak, and open, this tamarind tree actually grow wild in my hometown in Bali, and inside like this. So I think that Indonesian and Thailand is a little bit the same. Actually, this tamarind, the taste, if you open and squeeze like this, actually this tamarind tastes sweet, sour and tangy, and it is a very good for the jamu or the traditional herbal drink. First of all, you wash the curcuma or turmeric and wash the ginger, and then you chop, and you can put it in the blender, but because I don't have a blender, I will just grate it from this grater, and I will cut the lime, and then squeeze it later on, and after that I will add the honey or sugar because I didn't have a brown sugar, so I just add the honey. Okay, so first of all, I will take this one because I don't have a blender at home. No blender, no problem. I can still use this one. And so I grate it. So the juice will come later on. It's actually very good for your boosting immune system. And yes, of course, the color will be yellow. But it tastes so good. The traditional way how we make it. To make jamu when I used to live in Bali, in Indonesia, and this one is the famous drink actually for your health, and especially for the ladies. If you are on period, this one is also a very good drink for you. Simply that, from few days I was busy at school from 8 until 3 p.m. So my mom last time called me like, how I am and everything. So I didn't make any video daily. Simply I was just busy. So today, Mama, I make this jamu traditional drink. Especially that because I miss you. I miss your jamu, I know. This is what I, appreciate what you teach me when I used to live in Bali. So now I can make my own comfort food here. The smell of curcuma or turmeric is very strong, and especially for the Indonesian or Balinese cooking in general, we use curcuma a lot in our food basically. You have to add water, right? And then you add again the tamarind, you squeeze it, and you put it here. Well, if you don't have any tamarind, it's okay, but I really like the taste of tamarind. And after this, you actually cut the lime. Yes, and then you squeeze the lime. 1 spoon of honey because I didn't have a brown sugar. And then we cook it for 15 minutes. So if you ask me, why don't you just use the curcuma powder instead? Maybe it's easier. One thing, the curcuma powder, I know it's cheaper actually in the supermarket, but the taste is not as fresh as the one that, the real one. I mean, the one from this one is totally different. So I have my curcuma powder, but it's only for the cooking, but for the jamu, it's better to use that one. So after 15 minutes cook, and then I filter it like this, and this is it. My jamu is already done. 500 milliliter or half liter jamu. So good. It's raining outside. It's weekend from Monday to Friday. From 8 until 3 I'm at school, so I didn't have that much really time to do a house cleaning, do the house job or something like that. So on the weekend, especially on Saturday, while Damian is driving Uber, I'm just cleaning the house, doing the housework. A day of my life, daily life, acting, living in Poznan, and now the season is changing, becoming autumn and on 9 degrees. So yeah, I just decided to do all the house stuff. Maybe tomorrow we will go out somewhere on Sunday. I'm not sure, but yeah, Damian prefer to drive this weekend because next week he will have I think trip to Hamburg. Not sure his schedule, but yeah. So this is how actually my daily life in Poznan. Already finished ironing. Now I would like to cook my ayam betutu. So first of all, we make a chicken broth, using the chicken breast and pepper, salt. So I'll cook it for 15 minutes. We'll prepare another seasoning. First, I chop the onion, garlic, and then I've got the lemongrass. I've got the kaffir lime leaves. And here is actually the paste that we make from our jamu. Here is the jamu that I make previously, but I didn't waste the turmeric, ginger, and tamarind. I will use it for my ayam betutu recipe. So first, I fried the garlic, onion, and I'm gonna put this seasoning. Put the chicken, all the turmeric paste before that. I actually didn't waste anything. So later, at the end when it is cooked, I will put the coconut milk. Well, I think that I will cook ayam kare, not ayam betutu, because I wanna add with coconut milk. But basically, if you don't add coconut milk and you wrap it and then you steam it, it become ayam betutu. I changed my mind. I don't cook ayam betutu. Instead, I'll cook ayam kari, chicken kari. So now I'm pouring the coconut milk. And we cook for few minutes. Smells so good. Yay, this is it. My hot rice, onion on the top, fried onion on the top, cucumber, and my chicken curry. Smacznego, and of course with my jamu. It's dinner time, so I got a phone call from Damian before, and he said that he's late because he got a trip outside of Poznan. That's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.